Hi, and welcome to Sampson Community College. As a student, you may on occasion be required to submit your assignment via the Turnitin assignment link. What is Turnitin? Turnitin is a web-based text matching software system which can consist of determining plagiarism and can be used to teach you how to properly acknowledge quotations. After you submit your paper, Turnitin provides a report on any text matches. Turnitin does not interpret the report nor dictate any action in response to the report if you have a high percentage of text match. So, how to submit your paper once you see the Turnitin symbol, which is the paper with the circular red arrow. You will click the title of the assignment. And once the page has come up, if your instructor has any special instructions, you will see them in the summary. The red arrow means that the summary is expanded. When you see the green plus sign, it's just condensed. You see your start date, your due date, and the post date. The post date means when the grade will be available, and then how many maximum points you can receive once you submit your assignment to Turnitin. Once you're ready to submit your paper, you'll find the Submit Paper link here. You will need to enter the title of your paper, and then either select the Add File icon, or you can drag and drop your document into the window and land it on the plus sign. So click on the Add Submission. If you don't see anything in this file, you need to click Upload File. I'm going to choose our file for me. Mine is on my desktop. I'm going to locate my document, which is a Word document, and I'm going to click OK. And then click Upload this file. When using the Turnitin, you need to check, by checking this box, I confirm that the submission is my own work. I will accept responsibility for any copyright infringement that may incur as a result of this submission. And once you are ready, you want to click Add Submission. When your paper has uploaded to Turnitin, you'll receive a digital receipt with a submission ID. Up in the top right-hand corner, you'll see a close. Your digital receipt will now reside to the left of your submitted paper. Your submission title is shown in the box. Your Turnitin paper ID. When it was submitted, if it was submitted late, it will show in red. And your similarity shows that it is pending. To view your paper in Turnitin, click on this title of the paper, and it launches in the Turnitin viewer. So what it's doing now is it is examining your paper against all sites that you have included in your paper for references. Once your instructor has graded your paper, you may come here and click on the comments button to see any feedback. You'll click the match overview, which will show you all of the sites that were used in your paper and what the match was. You can view all sources and you can download a copy of the paper. Once you have finished viewing your instructor's comments or feedback, just click the X to go back into the course page. You'll see now that your similarity or your matching is 19%. The instructor will give you further information on the similarity. Once the paper is graded, you will see your grade here. Again, you may download your paper, and then to see your grade, you will click the drop-down menu, go into your grade book, and under courses that I am taking, you would go into your grade book, and if your grade is readily available, you will see it here in your grade book also. Remember that you will view your feedback in your Turnitin viewer. Thank you and have a great day.